How to relate the payments in your business module with the customer. Enter Faswet.com. On account, log in with your user. In the main menu, select Operations. Then select Business and the cryptocurrency where you have received your payments. Next, they will appear with a green arrow, all the transactions that have been made in that cryptocurrency and have not been associated with a client. Select one of the transactions that are not associated. Then complete the form that will appear at the bottom with the client's name, identification number, address, the amount paid, and the payment concept. If the payment concept has multiple items, describe them and add them in the More button. To finish, press Create Transaction. Now that you have the answer, make it real. Make it Faswet.